Hi, my name is Ken Prosser and you are very welcome to my Alternative Traffic Methods review. And I put together a special bonus page for you as well. It comes down at 11:59 p.m. EST on Monday, September the 28th. So, what about the alternative traffic methods? You have heard the saying, the money is in the list, but how do you get the list? So what is alternative traffic methods all about? Grab your link to get this unsaturated traffic methods to your list. You've heard the saying, the money is in the list, but how do you get the list? This detailed info course will show you unsaturated, unheard of social media platforms that you can tap into and grow authority. It's cool to be a cat, but much better to be a lion. But can a cat think it's a lion really be king of the jungle? Alternative traffic methods is king of the jungle. Darren will show you step-by-step instructions over the shoulder where we will go into this together and set up each course ready for you to drive in leads, followers and subscribers. Are all of your online marketing efforts solely focused on getting traffic from Google? Before you find yourself on the wrong end of an algorithm update or SERP experiment, you need to make sure that your traffic sources are diversified across multiple channels. With alternative traffic methods, Darren is going to show you why, where and how to build alternative traffic sources so that your website is not at risk of losing the majority of its audience from one single source. If you're still avoiding social media, then you're most likely missing out on some easy sources of traffic. Whether you believe social media marketing works or not, there is no denying that some of the top and even lesser known social networks can drive good amounts of traffic when used properly. With alternative traffic methods, you will be shown how to customize and optimize your social pages and profiles to earn trust, build brand equity and followers to your website. Scheduled social updates to be sent at optimal times. Alternative traffic methods handpicked for you to easily gain Google ranking with any website and traffic. Darren has hidden gems built in alternative traffic methods, which will give you email growth tools included. Evergreen solutions that still work today, not targeted to SOS, that is shiny object syndrome, that still will work as today. Info course jam-packed with benefits, value, methods and unadvertised bonuses not currently mentioned. Prices and upsells. Front end, $9.95. Alternative traffic methods. Alternative traffic methods is the show's unsaturated social media platforms that you can build authority on to build followers. Lead subscribers, which when you build this is to get traffic, will follow you and become potential customers. One-time offer number one, $47. Reseller rights with extra bonuses. License rights to sell alternative traffic methods as their own product. This product has taken months to develop/create, and a lot of money has been spent creating all the sales material. Buyers of this upsell can enjoy 100% commissions on this awesome high converting funnel while we handle the selling and support. One-time offer number 2, $297, personal guidance coaching. Allow Darren to give you guidance to answer your questions, adding up to a month, 1 hour a day, personal coaching within a year, with anything to do with affiliate marketing or digital marketing needs. One-time offer number 3, $67, mega SEO, YouTube and backlinks with my custom tool YouTube Rank. You can promote up to 25 campaigns ranked on YouTube depending on the difficulty of the keyword within a year period. And with this method gives you the ability to be within the top 10 for that keyword just within a few days. If you require another 25 campaigns, no problem, simply let me know, and because you've already purchased before, I will give you a discounted price to $28 for every campaign pack you order. One-time offer number 3, downsell, limited downsell, $47. Mega SEO YouTube with my custom tool YouTube Rank. You can promote up to 12 campaigns ranked on YouTube depending on the difficulty of the keyword within a year period, and with this method gives you the ability to be within the top 10 for that keyword just within a few days. If you require another 12 campaigns, no problem, simply let me know. And because you have already purchased before, Darren will give you a discounted price to $19 for every campaign pack you order. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Showing step by step over the shoulder how to put this into your list to generate organic traffic from 9 unsaturated social media accounts. Whether you're a newbie or above, this will work for any skill set. When you're growing these social media accounts organically, providing you supply great value for your followers. Your followers will stay with you, which you can convert into sellers that are interested in your niche and you. Why do you need alternative traffic method? Had you ever thought that what would it be like if you got into Facebook before the hype? Imagine what authority you would command if you did when it first launched on the internet. Alternative traffic method is all about getting into untapped, unsaturated social media platform before they take the markets by storm. I'll be showing you crazy upsells done some never before seen with great bonuses, cross-linking or creating backlinks. Has always been good for creating authority even to and from unsaturated social media platforms. Where you can create authority from any niche to these websites, YouTube can be king of the jungle with your affiliate marketing or digital marketing needs. Any business model will work for these alternative traffic methods. Should be a social media site to suit any business model which needs traffic. All of this is covered by no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. Watch the demo video of alternative traffic methods below. Get alternative traffic methods now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, how to make a squeeze page from scratch in 10 minutes. Bonus number 2, the lost code. Bonus number 3, the secret weapon. Bonus number 4, 0-hour workdays. Bonus number 5, the chatbot revolution. Learn the secrets to saving insane amounts of time and money by using chatbots. Click the button below now to claim your free Insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Instant bonus delivery. Your bonuses will be delivered automatically. You find them next to your purchased files in Warrior Plus. Just click the button above to get started. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. To your success. This is Kemp Rosser, and I thank you very much for watching my review. I'll see you in the next video, and bye and take care.